I'm now in high school, so when I ran into my third grade teacher, I doubted she would remember me. I said, "Hi, Miss Butcher."
Baby, work it.
She replied, "Hi, Eddie." I asked, "So you do remember me?"
Friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Sure, you don't always leave a good impression, but it is a lasting one.
My 3-year-old sat in the bathroom with me, watching as I removed my dentures and brushed them. After a few minutes, he asked, "Can you take your ears off too?"